Have you ever think, what will happen to our Malaysia after pandemic? Our social life will change. No more mamak. Until late night. There will be social distancing. 1 meter. Between one person to another. No more handshake. Just nod your head. Online dating. Exercising at home. There will be online meeting. There will be a change in the learning system in Malaysia. Online education for your kids at home. But are you aware of the current economic downturn? And getting worse and worse every day. Ever imagine this situation will affect us? Many workers will be fired after this. It's hard to get a job everywhere. Many stores will be closed due to lack of profit. Many factories will also close. What will happen to our future generation? Our fresh graduates who studied as an engineer, lawyer and many more? Nowadays, many things we can buy using online. And now, billions of users use online services worldwide. Did you know? Many businesses run their business through online. They create many apps, label and branding using this platform. They use this service and make a profits, even sitting at home. There are many apps such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google, YouTube, and many more, that you can make profits through them, many of them creating their income through these apps, making thousands of dollars per month. And some of them make millions every month. But we Malaysians still sit down and do nothing. Sad, right? To all Malaysian, the world have changed. Start learning online business. Now we also have self-service Dobi vending machines that replace shops. Even robot have replaced human labor. Stop scrolling down your Facebook or your endless Instagram story. To students who have already made study loan, like PTPTN or MARA, or your family has spent thousands on your study. Those who want to make extra income. Worker that already work 2 jobs in a day. Business owner who wants to upgrade your system. Or whoever wants to upgrade your life. Don't be such a ego person. Take action. Change your life. Change your attitude. Start learning online. And do online business. Don't afraid to learn. Spend a few ringgit for this book and online training. You will not regret it. Ever. Or send us your email address and we will send you free copy of online ebook. Do it now. Take your first step. The first step is the most powerful action. Click the link below. Now.